behind the stones. 1, 2, 3, and many clams.
Okay, let's go home.
The clams are a bit dirty, so they need to be cleaned. Pour water to clean the clams. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Okay, done. Now let's boil the clams. One, 2, and 4 clams. Next, we'll prepare the seasoning for the clams. First, finely chop the onion. Then, finely chop the bell pepper. Do the same with the green onions, chili peppers, ginger, and garlic. Alright, now put soy sauce in a bowl. Pepper. Oyster sauce. And add some flour. Water. Stir it well. Alright, now let's start cooking. Cooking oil. Next, add the green onions, ginger, and garlic. Stir them in the pan. Add bell pepper and onion. Continue to stir in the pan. Add the clams. Put the prepared seasonings in the pan. Add soy sauce. Stir everything together. Cook for 10 minutes. I still have some leftover clams. I'll make coconut lemongrass clam dish. First, add coconut milk, palm sugar, galangal, lemon leaves, chili, lemongrass. Finally, add the clams. Stir everything together. Great! We have 2 delicious clam dishes. I'm going to eat both of them. The black bean sauce clams have a spicy and tangy flavor. Hello everyone, I'm Clover. Welcome to my channel. Today, I went to the stream to catch shrimp.
Let's go home.
Shrimp. Flour. Cooking oil. Shrimp. garlic, chili, water, tomato sauce, chili sauce, ketchup, shrimp, bread flour, yolk, it's here.
Wow! Okay, let's go home.
The potato is quite dirty, so I will wash it clean. First, we'll peel the potato skin. Alright, now put it into boil. Pour water into the pot. Boil in 15 minutes. Put it in a bowl once the potato is boiled. Next, we'll mash the potato. Add some black pepper, salt, and flour. Mix everything together. Okay, we're done. Now let's cut the onion into circles. Remove the onion skin. Cut it into large pieces. We will only use the outer layers to make the potato donut. Take some cheese from the fridge.
Ooh.
Cut the cheese into small pieces. we'll wrap the potato and cheese in the onion slices we just cut. Then, coat it in crispy frying batter. Flour, yolk, fried flour. First, coat it with a layer of batter. Next is the egg yolk. And finally, the fried flour. Okay, we're done. It's time to fry. Add cooking oil to the pot. Put the donut in when the oil is hot. It's really delicious. Time to eat. Can't forget the ketchup to go with the potato donut.
Wow!
The potato donut is very crispy and tasty.